Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create these beautiful baskets or dustbin in Blender by using different modeling techniques, and you will also learn that how we can apply different material to these baskets and also this plane by using asset browser. So let's start our video. Open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a cylinder and open this menu. Here the vertex reduce to the number of 24, and also here select nothing. Cap will type nothing. Beautiful. Now press 1 for front view and tab into the edit mode and press Alt to select all the below vertex and press S to scale. Nice. And now press Ctrl R to add the number of loops and press 3 for face selection, and here I select checker deselect and press I to inset faces. Nice. And press delete to delete the selected faces. Beautiful. Now press 2 for edge selection and select all the above edges by pressing Alt and E. Z extrude along Z axis and press S for scale and then extrude along Z axis into the downward direction. Nice. Now fill the bottom side of this basket. Press Alt to the select all the downward edges and S for scale and then E extrude along Z axis and then press S or scale down more and press M and merge at center. Beautiful. Now enter into the object mode and make it shade smooth. Now I apply modifier to this plastic. I apply solidify modifier and increase the thickness as you want. Nice. Apply this modifier and apply another modifier which is subdivision surface, and the level of subdivision surface is 3. Beautiful. Press 1 and move this bar stick along Z axis and now press Shift A to add a plane and scale it. Press 7 for front view and press Shift D to make some copies of this basket or dustbin. Nice. Now I apply material to these basket and this plane. Enter into the material viewport and I have an asset browser. From here I assign some material to these dustbins and ground. Here I select some material, apply the material to this dustbin like this material, and apply this material to this dustbin, and now apply something like this material to this dustbin. Nice. Also apply some another material to this dustbin like this material. Close these baskets with each other, something like this. Beautiful. So in this way you can easily create the basket dustbins and apply material by using asset browser. Thanks for watching.